The Sennheiser AMBEO is a first-order ambisonic microphone specifically designed for capturing immersive spatial audio content. It utilises 4 highly sensitive KE14 capsules arranged in a tetrahedral configuration, allowing us to capture the surrounding sound from a single position. Each capsule uses a particular polar pattern to capture a specific directional or spatial element depending on the position that the microphone is used in. 3 of them use a figure of 8 pattern to record front to back, left to right and up and down motion. The 4th uses an omnidirectional pattern to capture an overall picture. The university has 2 fully stocked kits bookable by you from the kit store website. The kits include 1 Sennheiser AMBEO, 1 Zoom F4 field recorder with power supply, 1 12-pin XLR cable with breakout cables, 1 4-channel XLR Loom, 8 AA batteries with charger and power supply, 1 pair of Sennheiser HD25 headphones, a USB cable, a dead cat and a pistol grip. When you receive your kit, the first thing you'll need to do is insert the batteries. On the back of the F4, open the backplate by loosening the thumb screw. Open the backplate and remove the battery pack. Now, transfer all 8 batteries from the charger into the battery pack, 4 on each side. Before you close the backplate, confirm that an SD card is present in either of the 2 card slots. If it is, you can close the backplate, being sure not to over-tighten the thumb screw. The next step is to plug in the microphone. Making sure you line up the guide notches, insert the 12-pin XLR into the microphone and screw it in to secure it, again, being sure not to over-tighten it. Connect the breakout cable to the 4-channel XLR loom, making sure the numbers on the loom match the numbers on the breakout cable. So 1 into 1, 2 into 2, and so on. Now, connect the other end of the loom to the inputs on the recorder, again, making sure to match the numbers. You can now turn on the F4 using the power button located on the front bottom right of the recorder. With the F4 powered on, we now need to set it up to record. First, we need to format the memory card. On the front of the F4, press the menu button. Then, using the selector knob, scroll down to SD card and press the selector knob to enter the SD card menu. Select Format, select the slot that your SD card is currently in, then select Yes. Once formatting is complete, press the menu button twice to return to the main menu. Now, before we can record, we need to make sure that the F4 is in the correct input mode for ambisonic recording. In the menu, select Input, then Ambisonic mode. Make sure that Format is set to AmbiX, then change the mic position to reflect the position you plan to record in, upright, end fire, or upside down. Now press the menu button until you're back on the main screen and we're ready to start recording. In Ambisonic mode, the F4 uses digital gain control to allow us to adjust input gain across all 4 channels at the same time. Adjusting the input gain on channel 1 will affect channels 2, 3 and 4 simultaneously, giving us match gain across all 4 channels. Whilst looking at the meters on the screen and monitoring through headphones, increase the gain to a suitable recording level. When you're ready to record, hit the record button and you're off to the races. Once you've got a recording that you're happy with, press the stop button, not pause or record, to end the recording.